What's the difference between within 2 hours and in 2 hours? Does within a week mean the same as by next week? When do you use this formal-sounding word? In this chapter, we'll master within, which describes actions happening inside a time boundary or a limit. Welcome back to our Prepositions of Time series. We've learned various duration prepositions. Today, we'll learn within, which means inside a time limit or boundary. It's especially important for deadlines, promises, and service guarantees, when timing must be precise. Within means inside a time limit or boundary, not exceeding that time frame. Think of it as a container with walls. The action must happen before hitting those walls. Within 24 hours means any time from now until 24 hours pass, but not beyond. For example, we'll respond within 24 hours. This is a service promise with a time limit. The response can come in 2 hours, 10 hours, or 23 hours, all acceptable. But at 24 hours and 1 minute, the promise is broken. Here's a crucial difference that confuses learners. In 2 hours means approximately at the 2-hour point around that time. Within 2 hours means before the 2-hour limit. Maximum boundary could be sooner. In suggests a specific future time. Within sets a maximum limit that mustn't be exceeded. Within and by are very similar, both set limits. By 5 p.m. gives a clock time deadline, a specific moment. Within 2 hours gives a time span limit, measured from now. Both mean not later than, but by uses specific times. Within uses durations. Within is essential for business guarantees. Pizza delivered within 30 minutes. Refund processed within 5 business days. Installation completed within 1 week. These are commitments with maximum time limits. Within makes promises legally clear. Within is critical in medical contexts. Take medicine within 30 minutes of eating. Symptoms appear within 2 to 3 days. Emergency response within 10 minutes. Medical timing can be life or death. Within sets precise boundaries. A common mistake, using within incorrectly with non-measured time. Don't say within tomorrow or within next week. Say within 24 hours or by tomorrow. Within needs measurable time units, hours, days, weeks, not event names. Here's your memory trick for within. Think of within as inside walls or inside limits. Just like staying within a fenced area, time must stay within the limit. If someone says within 3 hours, imagine a fence 3 hours away. Don't cross it. Now let's explore within through real-world examples. Pay attention to how each sentence creates a maximum time boundary that cannot be exceeded, showing precision and commitment to time limits. Let's start with e-commerce guarantees. Your order will arrive within 48 hours. This is a customer promise with a clear time boundary. Whether it arrives in 6 hours or 47 hours, the promise is kept, but 49 hours breaks the guarantee. Now, let's look at financial services. Refunds are processed within 5 to 7 business days. This sets customer expectations with a clear time frame. Banks use within to commit to maximum processing time. It creates accountability. Let's move to recruitment processes. Candidates will hear back within 1 week. This is professional communication with a time commitment. It could be 2 days or 6 days, but not 8 days. Within sets the maximum waiting period. Now consider medical instructions. Take this medication within 1 hour of meals. This is a health requirement with timing precision. 30 minutes after eating is fine. 90 minutes is too late. Within provides medical safety boundaries. Let's look at immigration and official processes. Visa applications are approved within 15 working days. This is government service commitment. Applicants can plan travel knowing the maximum waiting time. Within creates predictability. Now imagine product warranties. Defective items will be replaced within 72 hours. This is a quality guarantee with time commitment. Companies use within to promise fast service. It builds customer trust and loyalty. Let's move to travel and immigration services. Passport control is completed within 20 minutes. This is an airport service standard. Travelers appreciate knowing maximum waiting time. Within manages expectations and reduces stress. Now consider educational certification. Certificates are issued within 2 weeks of completion. This is an academic administration promise. Students planning careers need to know when credentials arrive. Within provides that clarity. Let's look at construction contracts. The building will be ready within 6 months. This is a legal commitment with financial implications. Delays cost money. Within creates contractual obligations both parties must honor. Finally, here's a safety example. Consume this product within 3 days of opening. This is health guidance with a time boundary. Eating on day 2 is safe. Day 4 might be dangerous. Within protects consumer health. Let's recap the essential points about within. First, within means inside a time limit, not exceeding the boundary. Second, it sets maximum time frames, could happen sooner, but not later. Third, it's used for promises, guarantees, and commitments, creating accountability. Master these 3 similar but different expressions. In 2 hours means approximately at the 2-hour point in the future. By 5 p.m. means a deadline at a specific clock time. Within 2 hours means a maximum time limit from now, possibly sooner. Choose based on whether you're predicting time, setting a clock deadline, or creating a boundary. Practice these common within patterns. Within 24 hours, within a week, within 3 business days, within minutes, within the hour, within a month. All use measured time units, hours, days, weeks, months. Create sentences like, I'll reply within 24 hours. Delivery within 5 days. Excellent work. You now understand within how to set precise time boundaries and limits. This preposition is essential for professional communication, guarantees, and commitments. In the next chapter, we begin a new category, starting and ending points. We'll learn from which marks where time begins. Keep practicing and continue your English mastery.